Canton, Ohio, General Trades Contractor License Bond. What is Canton, Ohio, General Trades Contractor License Bond? A Canton, Ohio General Trades Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors to legally perform general construction or repair work within the city. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow local building codes, regulations, and licensing requirements. The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the City of Canton obligee, and the surety company that backs the bond. Why is Canton, Ohio, General Trades Contractor License Bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city from financial loss caused by a contractor's non-compliance, negligence, or poor workmanship. It ensures that contractors operate ethically and follow all applicable laws and ordinances. By requiring this bond, the city maintains higher standards of safety, quality, and accountability in construction projects. How does Canton, Ohio, General Trades Contractor License Bond works? If a contractor violates regulations or fails to complete work properly, a claim can be filed against the bond by the city or an affected party. The surety company may compensate the claimant up to the bond amount if the claim is valid. The contractor is then responsible for repaying the surety for any claims paid, making the bond a form of financial accountability rather than insurance. To know more about surety bonds, please visit swiftbonds.com.